the most crucial thing is to build a house, because people are obsessed with houses there, and in many villages you can't marry unless you have built a house, and it really takes money and time. And jobs are very rare. You can't have a job unless you have relatives or some people supporting you or money, and so they have to create their own business, and they are very creative. And this is one of the positive sides of people living there, that notwithstanding unworking institutions, they're trying to survive and open shops. Unfortunately, most of these businesses are shops. So it's not production, though somewhere production still exists. People are doing conserving juices, producing wine, for example. I already mentioned craftsmen who do daggers, silver pots, dishes, and so on.